Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Ryobi days. We're shopping at Home Depot. We're looking at all the deals, all the Milwaukee deals, Ryobi deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon for all the notifications. If you want to help out the channel, get more, buy more tools, make more tool review videos, feel free to help out the channel by subscribing and hitting the like and bell icon. All right, we got some garden tools here. The first thing we walk into Home Depot, garden tools, and then we got some toolboxes here. Really nice toolboxes. This one's a Husky toolbox. It's a black. It's the upgraded edition. It's like the little bit better model. Now we got the Milwaukee. All these boxes do have the self closing or the slow close, whatever you want to call it. It's actually a really nice feature on these boxes. I really like the self-closing there. That's a nice DeWalt box there. So you guys see, very smooth when you self-close it. Somehow this Home Depot does have a lot of toolboxes. Yeah, the Ryobi deals or days, whatever you want to call it, free tool. If you buy that 4 amp hour kit, which is 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag. Actually, this is very rare here. I've been through like 5 or 6 stores already, and this is the first store that I can encounter this sale. All the other stores don't have nothing at all. Somehow they just have one store did have a Milwaukee. That's, you guys probably saw that video. I posted that video last week. But yeah, this is the only store I was able to find that has the Ryobi deals or days, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, these are all the free tools that you can get with that kit. Pretty much you buy the kit for 99 bucks and you get any of these free. I do suggest you guys get the more expensive tools, so you can get more out of your $99. So that $79 radio, that right angle drill there for 79 bucks, those are well worth tools. Even that $99 one, which is the one that I wanted, the edge trimmer. See, that's one of the tools that they didn't have, and I was just looking for that tool. In this Home Depot, at the end of the video, you guys are gonna see that I was just digging through boxes and stuff like that in the garden section. But yeah, the more expensive the tool you can get for free, the more you're gonna see. They had that power washer, the power cleaner there, for 79 bucks. They had that as a free item, and they only had one, I believe, one left. So I do apologize for the camera, but I was just trying to reach for a tool there. But yeah, it seems like every Home Depot is different. You know, it's so weird. Some Home Depots don't even have anything, and some do. I was talking to a manager or a sales rep at the other Home Depot I went to, and they were telling me that they were running behind on shipments. And some of these deals, those are nice tools there. $99 for that kit. Yeah, they were just running late on all these shipments. The stands, you know, these Ryobi day stands, they wouldn't get any of that shipped. So I guess they're running late or something like that. So all these tools, all these promotions are running late. So that's one of the reasons. Just give them time. If you're like me, trying to look for a deal here. Go online. If you can't find it online, then just wait. Visit every week or every certain days to find out, or just call. Call your nearest Home Depot. Hey, you have the Ryobi days deals or whatnot, and they'll probably just honor it. Since it's online and on the ad and stuff. But yeah, with all this that's going on, the Rona thing, all these stores are running like behind. Anyways, enough of that. Let's go back to the tools. We got some bits there. We got some combo deals. They've got the string trimmer and the blower. Don't expect that to be like a really high-end tool. There are middle grade tools, small yard type of thing. You got the DeWalt section here, $2.90. Actually, some of these prices are missed or mixed. But yeah, that $159 for the full battery, that's a good deal. The fan is $79. That's a $4.99 deal. It does include a brushless tool there, oscillating tool, I believe, a multi-tool, and a drill, I think. So and yeah, some Makita. Not a lot of Makita, but yeah, it seems like they're just barely, like I said, they're just barely starting to put everything to the shelf. All these deals and promotions and stuff. So they got 1988 for the flashlight, 1988 for the pair, and then you got some gloves there, and then the DeWalt toolbox. You got another $12.97 for that case, and then you got the new what is those Diablos, 1997. But yeah, those Diablo blades or spade bits are fairly new, and Diablo's been making great stuff. So if you guys need something cheap to pick up, that's that should be fine. It's only, um, $49 for that kit. It's really simple. It's just for the homeowner, somebody that does not do a lot of DIY stuff. And I was just looking at this blade again. I did forget to pick this up because I was running. I did forget I was gonna pick up some of this stuff, but I just forgot to come back and pick it up anyways. But yeah, they have a lot of great stuff. Another, the Gerber, that catch my eye. $29.97 if you guys see that. The combo, that's for the multi-tool. And then you got the machete there with the knife, $24.97 or 98. That's the multi-tool. It's like a 15-in-1 or something like that. The Gerber. Gerber is a good brand. Then they had the buy one get one free from Makita. They had, if you buy the $2.99 kit or the $1.99 or the two $1.99 bare tools, I guess you could get a battery for free. I believe it's a 5 amp hour battery. That's the battery itself. It's a $149 value, so that's a good deal. If you're in the Makita platform, definitely a great deal there to expand your platform there. That's a nice box knife there, $4.97. You got some more Makita deals here, with the free battery again. So as you guys can see, it's pretty empty, so they are selling a lot of this. So if you guys want to get that, definitely go and get it, because and if you can buy it online, even better. Yeah, that's what I was just saying. The fuel on this store, somehow the Milwaukee, there hasn't been a lot of Milwaukee sales. The other ones, they do have the battery promotion. This one did not. And it's just so weird. And that is the knife, Milwaukee knife that I wanted to get back. That I wanted to come back and pick up, and I never did come back and pick that up. But yeah, that's a really nice knife. I gotta stop in and just pick it up, I guess, or maybe next time. $14.98, not too bad. Good quality knife there. And then you got some screwdrivers there, Torx. And then that was it. Those were the last tools for Milwaukee in that section, which is weird because on the other store, that's a speaker there, a Bluetooth speaker, which is I haven't seen before. Well, I've seen it, but I just haven't seen it in person. And then that's the garden section. Yeah, just watch out for. I just take a quick walk around the garden section, make sure there's no super good deals. Sometimes I have those yellow tags, and that's the inverter, Ryobi inverter. And yeah, those are great tools. Definitely recommend Makita for garden tools. Makita is probably one of the best that they have. Makita and Milwaukee, but I would definitely go with Makita. Yeah, and I was digging through those boxes, see if I could find the tool. For a moment there, I thought that was the tool. It is the tool, but it doesn't. That one does include the charger and the battery. And I was just looking for the bare tool by itself. And according to the guy, he told me that they had one in stock. So I just, threw some boxes around and take a look at it. But yeah, I was not able to find it. So it must be just the display. Those are Milwaukee oscillating tool blades. Or multi-tool. Yeah, I just got a multi-tool. That's why pretty much I need to get some blades. So And yeah, that's funny how that hat, you can pour water in there and somehow it'll cool you down. So it's just so weird. So weird to see that hat that you can pour water in, and then you got towels there, wet towels you can put around your neck and stuff like that, keep you cool. So Arctic Air. And then you got some more Makita tools here, the bare tools that you could get, and get these 2 free batteries there. Like I said, there's a lot of good kits out there. That's a good kit there at the bottom, the $2.99. It's actually an 8-piece comic kit, if you guys see closer. But yeah, those are definitely some great deals. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.